Hi everyone, I'm Patricia Nicole G. Felix from grade 11 STEM Mart. And welcome to today's English lesson. Our topic is the part of speech, the basic building blocks of grammar. Today we'll focus on 4 parts of speech: verb, adjectives, adverbs, and preposition. For each, we'll define it, explain its uses, and give several examples in sentences. By the end, you'll have a stronger grasp of how these words work together to form clear and meaningful sentences. So, let's begin. Let's start at verb. A verb is a word that shows action, occurrence, or state of being. Uses of verbs. First is to show physical action. For example is run, jump, write, and swim. Second is to show mental action. For example is think, believe, imagine, decide. For the last is to show state of being. For example is, I'm, are, was, were. And lastly is sentence examples. We are 3 sentences here. First is, children play in the park every afternoon. Play is the verb. Second is, she thinks about her future. The verb there is thinks. For the last is, she is a hardworking student. Is the verb. Verbs are powerhouse of the every sentence. They tell us what is happening. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening to my video. Bye-bye!